Stop. Don't skip this. If you are watching this right now, this is not random. Something inside your heart needed this message. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're carrying something no one understands. Maybe you feel like giving up. And today, Jesus wants to speak to you. There was a man named Arav. He wasn't famous. He wasn't rich. He wasn't perfect. He was just normal. Like you. He had dreams. He had hopes. He believed life would work out. But slowly, life changed. At first, it was small problems. Stress at work. Arguments at home. Financial pressure. Then everything started collapsing. He lost his job. Friends stopped calling. People he trusted walked away. And the worst part? No one understood what he was going through. Every night, Arav sat alone. Scrolling his phone. Watching others succeed. Comparing his life. And thinking. Why is my life like this? Why am I stuck? God, are you even there? Maybe that's you right now. You wake up tired. You smile in front of people. But inside, you feel empty. You overthink everything. You worry about the future. You feel like you're falling behind. And no one really knows. One night, after holding everything inside, Arav broke down. Not in front of people, but alone. And he said, Jesus, I don't know what to do anymore. But I need you. That was it. No perfect words. No long prayer. Just honesty. And in that quiet moment, something changed. Not outside, but inside. It felt like a voice in his heart. I was always here. Arav realized something powerful. Jesus was there. When he lost his job. When people left him. When he cried alone. Even when he didn't feel it. Sometimes, God is not silent. We are just too overwhelmed to hear him. The next morning, nothing magical happened. No money. No job. But something inside him was different. He felt peace. He started small. Waking up early. Praying for 2 minutes. Taking small steps again. Not because life was easy. But because he trusted Jesus. Think about your life. You may not have lost everything. But maybe you've lost peace. Confidence. Direction. And that hurts too. After months, a new opportunity came. Not perfect. Not big. But enough. And slowly, life started rebuilding. Here's the truth. Jesus didn't remove the struggle instantly. But he gave strength to go through it. Jesus says, My child, I never left you. Even in your worst days. I was holding you. You are not behind in life. You are being prepared for something greater. Do not give up. I see your struggle. I know your pain. And I am walking with you. Better days are coming. If this message touched your heart, remember this. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. And your story is not over. Subscribe to Daily Quotes of Jesus. For more powerful messages like this.